My friend, I have 8 uses of this Dollar Tree item right here that's really going to surprise and delight you. I had to run to the Dollar Tree and get another one because they're so good. Okay, this one is obvious, but this would not be a video if this is what I'm gonna show you right here today. So get out of here. Now you may have seen this one, but I guarantee you have not seen the rest. Look at this. Look, this is not cute in here. We just got a bag with a box of trash bags. Let's fix that. Goodbye, and here we go. Easy peasy. My organized heart is very happy now. Thumbs up if you agree. I have a pretty clever trick for doing this with pantyhose, so I will link that in the description box below. Did you want a cute way to easily organize all your sunglasses? I'll take these. Easy cell phone holder as you are perusing through recipes and cooking something delicious and jamming out to your favorite tunes, of course. How about a way to actually dry out your water bottles after washing them? Hats, boots, mittens, place them over your vents for faster drying time. Well, hello, cute toilet paper roll storage. By the way, I have a cute hotel hack when it comes to your toilet paper. I'll link that below as well. Now this one's a goodie. For just $2, I took 2 of these, put them opposite end to end. You can put your bracelets on here. Also, this is metal, so if you have magnetic jewelry, it will stick very nicely to this, but it's perfect for headbands and for necklaces. And for this, I just used this. I got it also from the Dollar Tree. It's super cute to hook them together. You could use zip ties, you could use glue, anything your heart desires. Super cute. Let's take care of this situation, shall we? Now that is super cute. You can even hook your socks in there. You could do this with hand towels as well for your guests or for yourself. If you're new, I do run a fitness channel. I will link that in the description box below. All right, thumbs up, subscribe for all fun things, cleaning and life hacks, and I'll see you, my friend, in the next one.